Yeah, Cyrina has been a wonderful addition to our team. We are always seeking incredibly bright people who can really come in and deep dive with our businesses. It's one thing to put them through a program for a specific amount of time, maybe give them some startup capital to make sure that they can get their dream started. But what Cyrina does is provide that really deep understanding and ability to spend the time to understand where that business is and where they're headed. So much of our work is so much about putting out fires or dealing with the crisis in the then and now. But Cyrina has a really great way of saying, this is how we can move your business forward, and what does that ideal state look like for you? And we just don't have the time or capacity to do that. And that's where Cyrina has driven so much value for us in the ability to really take that deep dive. We're not that big as a region. We're continuing to try and grow that every single day. And where Cyrina adds that value to overcoming those challenges for us is in her ability that she's done a lot of different things. Sometimes our entrepreneurs view the world in a very narrow lens. They only know Lansing or they only know mid-Michigan. And what Cyrina adds is the ability to look at the world in a much more holistic and inclusive way that really helps our entrepreneurs not just view Lansing, but view Michigan, the nation, and the world as an opportunity for growth. And Cyrina adds that kind of extra layer of support and understanding of what the wider world could look like for their business from her own experience, but also from research that she's willing to do to understand pathways to success for our entrepreneurs.